etiquette. So let's start. Never hold a sneeze like this with your palm, as the germs will transfer very easily. Use a napkin or a tissue paper whenever you are sneezing. Don't forget to throw the tissue paper in the bin. If you don't have a tissue, use your elbow like this. Don't forget to say excuse me while you have sneezed. If you heard someone has sneezed, say God bless you. Bye guys. See you soon. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you everyone if you have subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed,